Hello everybody, this is Tanvi Gadkari. Welcome to the top 5 features by Gadget Times. Today we're going to be listing the top 5 features of Moonwalk Mini True Wireless Earbuds by reviewe. I hope that's good enough for a budget-friendly earbuds. Also, the charging time is 1 to 2 hours. Mini stands out in playtime as compared to the other models. It has 12 hours of playtime, and with the case, it can be used up to 15 to 16 hours. Moonwalk Mini is also equipped with a multifunction button which has a voice assistant connectivity to your phone. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly earbud, lightweight, anti-fallout and sporty look, you can go for this one. So see you in the next top 5 features and unboxing on Gadget Times. Stay tuned.